What's the meaning of consent? Consent. Consent.
Consent. Consent. Consent refers to the act of giving permission or agreement to something. It is a voluntary and informed decision made by an individual who has the capacity and freedom to make such a choice. The concept of consent is important in various aspects of life, including medical procedures, sexual activity, and legal contracts. Consent ensures that individuals have control over their own bodies and choices, and that their rights and autonomy are respected. Without consent, actions can be considered unjust, unethical, or even illegal. Therefore, gaining consent is necessary for any activity involving another person.